are some of our tomatoes. They were planted January 10th. Today is now March 17th. It is in a Krakty style. Down here you can see the pail. And there are a lot of tomatoes on there. Now we kind of go over into some of our peppers. Our pepper tree. Now this hydroponically grow table is well picked over. We go lettuce, kale for the chickens and our cockatoos. And yeah, they go really well. It's well picked over. And we'll get ready to do a clean and a flush and do it again. Over here we have our fodder for the chickens. This one here is 3 days, 5 days, 7 days. Just picked this one. That one's done. So yeah. King LED. All in all, works great. Super happy. And there we go. Back to growing. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe.